Hello everyone. In this session of CCNA series, I will do a Syslog lab in which I will configure a Syslog service, generate some events, and then observe the events on the Syslog server. And for that, I have a small network in which I have a router connected to a switch, and similarly, I have server and a PC connected to a switch. All these devices are on the same network, so the logs will be generated from the router or the switch and forwarded to the server. So let's go ahead and configure. Before that, let me tell you the IP addresses configured on the router is 192.168.1.1/24, and the syslog server IP is 192.168.1.2. So in the packet tracer, I have already enabled the syslog service, and on my router, let me go ahead and configure the router to send logs to the syslog server, and the command is logging along with the IP address 192.168.1.2. This is the command that enables the logging, that sends the logging messages to the syslog server. So once the configuration is done, let me generate some event, and I have already configured one loopback in which is already enabled. So let me shut down the loopback interface and observe if it is reflecting on the syslog server. As you can see, I did disable the interface loopback 1 on 11/11 so and so time on this date, and I received a log message from the router 192.168.1.1 which says loopback 1 interface was the interface state was changed. If you compare this message 11/11/25, 11/11/25, so this confirms that syslog service is working fine. We can also check it on the router by issuing show logging command. This will tell you that it is logging to so and so server with UDP port 514, sorry, and how many messages lines have been logged. That's it for this session. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you for watching.